You are being ripped off every single time you buy big-name tires, and you don't even realize it. Michelin charges $145 per tire. Goodyear pushes $155. Bridgestone isn't any better. And what do they give you in return? A logo on the sidewall and maybe 40,000 miles if you're lucky. That's not premium, it's daylight robbery. Meanwhile, there's an entire shadow market of tire brands your dealer will never mention. Brands delivering 70,000, even 80,000 miles. Same safety ratings, same braking performance, same real-world reliability at half the price. No blowouts, no recalls, better warranties. Yet nobody talks about them. Why? Because there's no Super Bowl ads, no fat dealership commissions, and no corporate greed attached. Today, I'm tearing the mask off the tire industry. I'm exposing 13 tire brands that humiliate Michelin, Goodyear, and Bridgestone in real testing while costing 30 to 50% less. The number one brand on this list shocked me so hard that I stopped recommending premium tires in my own shop permanently. If you want to stop wasting hundreds of dollars every few years, watch this till the end. Number 13. General Tire. General is owned by Continental, one of the most advanced manufacturers on Earth, but sold as a budget option. That means you get Continental engineering without paying for the fancy badge. The General Ultimax RT43 runs about $95 instead of $145 for a Michelin Defender. That's $200 saved on a set for nearly identical performance. Independent tests show 60,000 miles of life, excellent wet grip, and a quiet ride. Their Grabber off-road line fights toe-to-toe with BFGoodrich all-terrain while costing up to $100 less per tire. Here's the dirty truth tire shops hide. Generals are made in Continental factories with the same materials. The only thing missing is the overpriced logo. And because profit margins are smaller, most dealers pretend they don't even exist. Number 12. Falken. This Japanese brand owned by Sumitomo delivers serious performance at a sensible price. The Falken ZX ZE950 averages $110 compared to $160 for Goodyear Eagle Sport, another $200 saved per set. Wet braking tests showed the Falken stopping from 60 mph in 175 feet, while the Goodyear needed 178. Cheaper, yet better. Their Euro Winter HS01 competes head-to-head with Michelin X Ice at almost half the cost, $480 versus $880, with nearly identical snow and ice results. My own brother-in-law switched to Falkens. After 35,000 miles, his treadwear matched his neighbor's Michelin's, but he had $400 still sitting in his bank account. Number 11. Hankook. South Korea's flagship tire maker supplies original equipment to Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. Think about that. Your $80,000 luxury car may already be riding on Hankooks, yet aftermarket prices are 40% below the big names. The Kinergy ST is roughly $100 compared to $155 for a Michelin Defender, $220 saved per set. Testing shows 70,000-mile life, excellent wet grip, and ride comfort that actually beats Michelin. Recently, a single mother came to my shop. Dealer wanted $900 for Goodyears. I installed Hankooks for $380. She nearly cried with relief. Same safety, same quality, half the price. Hankook spent billions on research to challenge premium brands, and they've succeeded. Number 10. Cooper. An American company building tires since 1914, yet still priced 30% under Goodyear and Michelin. The CS5 Ultra Touring runs $115 versus $150 for Goodyear Assurance Max Life, $180 saved. Consumer testing rates it for 80,000 miles with outstanding wet and dry grip. Real drivers often see 75,000 to 85,000 miles. Their evolution. Winter cost zone, $115 instead of $170 for Goodyear Ultra Grip, with nearly identical snow performance. A family in Michigan saved $220, and 3 winters later the tires were still strong. Number 9. Kumho. Another Korean powerhouse supplying OEM tires to Ford, Chrysler, Hyundai, and GM. The Solus TA31 costs about $85 compared to $140 for Michelin Premier, $220 saved. Testing shows 65,000-mile tread life and excellent wet braking. It excels at resisting hydroplaning thanks to deep water evacuating grooves that outperformed tires twice the price. For performance cars, the Exta PA51 delivers 92% of Continental's dry grip and 95% wet grip while saving $280 on a set. Number 8. Vredestein. A Dutch brand founded in 1909, huge in Europe yet almost invisible in America. The Quatrack sells for $120 compared to $175 for Michelin Cross Climate 2, $220 saved. European ratings give both tires the same wet grip and efficiency scores. Their WinTrack Pro stops on ice in 49 feet from 30 mph. Continental does it in 48. 1 foot difference, $60 cheaper per tire. One customer returned after 3 years with 42,000 miles and still had usable tread. He bought a second set and convinced 4 friends. Chain stores rarely mention Vredestein because the margins are small. Chains push big brands with big margins. Number 7. Yokohama. A respected Japanese maker supplying Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, and Subaru. Aftermarket prices run 25 to 30% below Michelin. The Avid Ascend GT is $115 versus $160 for Michelin Defender, $180 saved. And testing shows 85,000 miles of life, actually 10,000 more than Michelin. Ride comfort rated higher for Yokohama. For trucks, the Geolander AT matches Goodyear Wrangler off-road while riding better on pavement. Number 6. Mastercraft. This is Cooper's budget label. Same factories, similar materials, different name. The strategy model costs $75 compared to $140 for Goodyear Assurance, $260 saved. Testing shows 60,000-mile tread life. I once helped an elderly couple quoted $560 for premium tires. Mastercraft cost them $300. 4 years and 58,000 miles later, they were still perfect. Number 5. Toyo. Toyo has a cult following among truck owners. The Versato Noir is $110 versus $155 for Bridgestone Turanza, $180 saved and quieter thanks to silent wall technology. The Open Country AT3 sells for $180 instead of $240 for Goodyear. One subscriber used them through deserts, mountains, and daily commuting and got 60,000 miles. Their Observe winter tire even outperforms Michelin on ice while costing $55 less. A mechanic in Maine switched after testing both on frozen roads. Toyo stopped shorter and lasted longer. He saved $220 and never looked back. Number 4. Nexen. This Korean brand supplies Porsche and Volkswagen from the factory. The Enprise AH8 is $85 compared to $135 for Continental True Contact, $200 saved. It offers 70,000 miles of life with excellent comfort. The Enfera SU1 delivers over 90% of Michelin Pilot Sport grip at nearly half the cost. Their winter line matches Pirelli for snow while using advanced 3D sipe technology found in premium tires. Number 3. Firestone. Owned by Bridgestone but sold as a value brand. The weather grip is $115 versus $180 for Michelin Cross Climate 2, $260 saved with the same 3-peak snow rating. The Destination AT2 costs $155 instead of $220 for Goodyear. An Idaho driver pushed them through brutal conditions for 65,000 miles and still had life left. Number 2. BFGoodrich. Also owned by Michelin, using much of the same technology at 20 to 30% less. The Advantage TA Sport is $120 versus $165 for Michelin Defender, $180 saved. The legendary KO2 all-terrain costs less than Goodyear or Nitto while outlasting both. A Colorado owner ran KO2's 60,000 miles of extreme off-road and still had usable tread. Most rivals die at 40,000. Number 1. Continental. Continental's mid-tier lines deliver true premium technology at 40% less and often beat Michelin and Goodyear outright. The True Contact Tour is $125 versus $165 for Michelin Defender, up to $240 saved. Consumer Reports ranked it #1 overall for tread life, wet braking, dry braking, and comfort with a projected 90,000 miles, better than both competitors. An Illinois driver reached 95,000 miles on a set and avoided buying tires a year earlier than premium owners. Their Viking Contact 7 winter tire regularly outperforms Michelin X Ice while costing $40 less. The Extreme Contact Sport matches Michelin Pilot Sport 4S in dry grip and beats it in the wet while saving $400. Continental is Europe's largest tire maker, trusted by Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, Audi, and Volkswagen. They invented Conti Seal self-sealing technology, Conti Silent Foam for noise reduction, and advanced silica compounds. In America, they cost less simply because the brand isn't as heavily marketed as Michelin or Goodyear. Smart buyers already know this. Over 4 years, they save around $800 on tires alone. The people who buy names are paying for commercials, not rubber. The tire industry runs on one principle: brand recognition equals higher prices. Michelin, Goodyear, and Bridgestone spent billions convincing you that expensive means better. It's genius marketing and terrible math. These 13 brands prove the opposite. Next time you need tires, remember that shops earn more selling the big names. Ask for these alternatives. Check Tire Rack. Check Consumer Reports. Your car doesn't care about logos. It cares about grip, tread depth, and durability. These brands deliver all three while keeping your money where it belongs. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for real car advice without the marketing nonsense. There's another video on your screen that will save you even more cash. Click it and I'll see you there.